Ultimate Fitness fam? It's Jake with TriFitness Gym.
And Matt with TriFitness Gym.
And today we're going to show you some of the common mistakes we see with squat pattern movements, right? So we're going to demonstrate some of the things that we see commonly done improperly and some common mistakes, and then how to correct those common mistakes. We're going to be using a couple tools here today. One of them is going to be our active motion bar. The active motion bar actually has ball bearings in it that you have to kind of balance out, which can actually highlight some of the imbalances that you may have in your squat. And another thing is just good old plate. So you can use a rubber plate, you can use just a normal standard plate. We're going to use this as a tool to raise our heels with. So first and foremost, we're going to have Matt set up with a squat, just without any tools at all, and just kind of demonstrate what it would look like when someone has a lack of lower abdominal control. See, they have a lot of hyperextension in their lower back and their lumbar, which can be very dangerous. So if you look at right here in Matt's lower back and his lumbar, he's going to have a lot of hyperextension. Okay? So now we're going to have Matt go ahead and tuck his pelvis, okay? Tuck belt buckle to forehead and slowly lower that squat. Good. Much better movement pattern, much safer movement pattern. All right. So the next thing we're going to show you is if you have issues with ankle flexion, that's something that we commonly see inside our facility, we can easily raise our heels. Right? So we have some plates here on the ground, and Matt is just going to raise his heels on the plates. And what's that going to do is allow him to get a little bit more depth without having to worry about his limited ankle flexion. And he's able to get a little bit lower with this than he would without it, so it actually gets the quads more because he's able to get more flexion. Alright, so the next thing we're actually going to show, we're going to load him up with this active motion bar. And set up here, balance it out. Alright, so one of the common things that we see is no control as the individual descends, as they go into the lowering portion of the exercise. Alright, so we want you to think about actually turning your feet out, putting pressure through the pinky toes, driving the knees out as you slowly control lower the weight. Okay? Nice. Alright, now we're going to actually have Matthew raise his heels on the plates again. Alright, now do it again. Push. So as you can see, he's actually able to get a little bit lower as well. Awesome. So there's just a few of the common mistakes we see often inside TriFitness. I'm sure maybe some of our clients as well, some of you watching have some of those same questions. And here are some of the answers that we can go ahead and use and some of the tools that we can put in our toolbox to help us improve consistently. So if you have any questions or comments, y'all, please ask in the comments below. And if you have anything for us, please give us that feedback so we can continue to provide you with tools and tips to help you keep creating good, healthy, safe, and effective workout programs throughout the rest of your life. And as always, stay active, stay healthy, stay happy. Peace.